What if I told you that the most important thing deciding your focus, confidence, marks, and future is something you use every single day without realizing it? And what if I told you that this power is not outside you? It's already inside your mind. Today, I'm introducing something completely new to this channel. Something most people misunderstand. But once you understand it, your relationship with your mind will change forever. As you know, I'm Sharani Ponguru, Director of Narayana Group and a life coach trained in NLP and Master Hypnosis practitioner. I work closely with mindset, performance, and emotional strength, especially when pressure is high. And today, I'm starting a hypnosis series explained in a way that is simple, safe, and powerful. Before we go any further, let me clear something very important. Hypnosis is not sleep. Hypnosis is not mind control. Hypnosis is not magic. No one can control you. You don't lose awareness. You don't do anything against your will. In fact, you experience hypnosis every single day. Have you ever watched a movie and completely forgotten everything around you? Have you ever picked up your phone for 2 minutes and suddenly 1 hour disappeared? That deep observed focus, that state where your attention is locked in, that is a hypnotic state. Hypnosis is simply focused attention. And when attention changes, learning changes, confidence changes, performance changes. Now, I want you to experience this, not just hear it. Let's do a quick mind experiment. It's simple, it's safe, and it's powerful. Sit comfortably or stand. Stretch both your hands straight in front of you. Now gently close your eyes. In your right hand, imagine you're holding a huge balloon, light, floating, pulling your hand up. In your left hand, imagine a heavy dictionary, thick, solid, pulling your hand down. Don't force anything, just imagine. Okay, now open your eyes. Look at your hands. Are they still at the same level? If one hand moved up or down, that wasn't magic. That was your mind influencing your body. This connection between imagination, focus, and physical response, this is the foundation of hypnosis. Here's what this teaches you. Your mind listens to what you focus on. Thoughts are not just thoughts. They create reactions. When fear is repeated, the body reacts. When confidence is practiced, the body responds. This is why mindset matters more than motivation. Over the next few videos, I'm going to share simple mind experiments and techniques to help you build focus, confidence, emotional calm, and self-control. Nothing complicated, nothing scary. Just understanding how your mind works and learning how to use it. Stay with this series because once you understand your mind, you stop fighting yourself and you start leading yourself.